Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I would like to talk about how to turn off your iPhone without touching any buttons. So just follow the instruction. We have 2 or 3 methods. The first one is all about you have to go over here at the top. And you can see there is a power icon. Just press this. And now you can see there is an option to slide to power off. You can just slide to power off your iPhone. This is the first step. So after this, you can also try 2 more steps. That is, you just need to go over here, go to the settings, navigate to the general. Now scroll down and you can see there is an option to shut down. Just tap on this one. And that is also asking to slide to power off. You can also slide to power off your iPhone from here as well. Afterwards, we have one more step. That is using the Siri, you can give the commands. So let me go over here, give the command to the Siri. Hey Siri, turn off my iPhone. Now you have to give the power off option so that it will be completely turned off. So these are the 3 steps we can turn off your iPhone, and I hope this video is helpful. See you soon next video. Bye.